So let us start with the discussion of the back exercise of this chapter, that is chapter number 10, more about Photoshop. So which will start from page number 123 on your books, okay? So first of all, we are going to discuss these MCQs. Here we are having three options for each question. Here we have to choose the correct one, right? First is, which tool is used to change the style of the text? Here style means, doesn't mean font style. Here style means how we can position the text on our page or on our screen, right? So there are three options: brush, wrap text and zoom. Can we do it using brush tool? नो बिकॉज फोन नहीं आएगा, वो फ्री हैंड लिखेंगे हम. जूम टूल से सिर्फ इनलार्ज होगा, नथिंग एल्स वी कैन डू, राइट? सो द ओनली ऑप्शन लेफ्ट इज रैप टेक्स्ट. सो नोट इट डाउन. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज बी पार्ट, फर्स्ट आंसर, दैट इज रैप टेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग विच is used to deselect the selection. So to deselect the selection, we will be using Control plus D. Good. So here we are using Control plus D. Then afterwards, Control plus D also, there is a B part. So B option को tick करना आपने. Then which tool is used to create smooth stroke of the colors? And that could be of any color, but make sure that should be selected as a foreground color, right? Yes, Anik? Brush tool. Good. Because zoom and hand both are the viewing tool, right? So we can't place the strokes on our image using these tools. So that is why the answer is brush tool. So which is your option A? Brush tool. Yes. Then we are having fourth question. Which tool is used to remove unwanted part of the image? Now, unwanted part of the image को remove करना है, shift नहीं करना है, ठीक है? So remove किससे होता है? Eraser. यहाँ बुक में मिस्टेक है, erase लिखा हुआ है, but erase तो नहीं होता उसका नेम? Eraser tool. खुद से R लगा लो इसमें. That is your eraser tool, right? And after that, टिक कर लो बच्चा. A option, eraser tool. Clear? चलिए. Then fill in the blanks discuss करेंगे. ऊपर already आपको hint box given है, which means already answers are given to you. You have to choose which is suitable for the particular one, right? So by default, foreground color is dash. By default means without selection, without selecting any color, which is a by default one. Yes, beta? Black. जब भी हम पेन या ब्रश टूल यूज करते हैं तो बाय डिफॉल्ट जिस कलर की स्ट्रोक आती है वही हमारा फोरग्राउंड कलर होता है, ठीक है? सो दैट इज ब्लैक. BLACK, black. So this is your foreground by default color in the Photoshop. After that, there are two keys which we use to increase or decrease the brush size. So we have to press these two keys. First to increase, yes, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट जिसमें ओपन हो रही है, ठीक है? तो ओपन वाली स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट हमने यूज करनी है. एंड क्लोजिंग के लिए, डिक्रीज के लिए दूसरी है क्लोजिंग वाली. लुक एट दिस. दिस इज फॉर इंक्रीज, क्योंकि पहले इंक्रीज वर्ड लिखा है तो पहले ये वाली लिखनी है आपने. एंड टू डिक्रीज वी हैव दिस वन. क्लियर? ओके. देन डैश टूल इज यूज्ड टू ऐड द टेक्स्ट इन द इमेज. हाँ जी रितम. टेक्स्ट टूल. यहाँ कौन सा टूल यूज करेंगे? टेक्स्ट टूल. Using this tool, we can add text on our image. Okay. Then next question is, dash tool is used to change the style of the text. Again, how we could position, how we could give a shape to it, and how we could change its style. हाँ जी बेटा. Wrap text. Good. So the answer will be wrap text. Okay. Then we are having the two answers in the next blank. Dash and dash tools are the two types of the viewing tools. यूजिंग विच हम उसको इनलार्ज कर सकते हैं, मैं हिंट दे रही हूँ आपको, यूजिंग विच हम उसको इनलार्ज कर सकते हैं, एंड आफ्टर इनलार्जिंग वी कैन एडजस्ट इट ऑन आवर स्क्रीन. सो एक आंसर देना आपने, समिन ओनली वन आंसर. Zoom tool. Yes, there is a zoom tool. And then Manisha, hand tool, right? Hand and zoom. There are two tools for the viewing purpose. Chaliye. Write down these, hand tool and zoom tool. You have to note it down side by side. So make sure you are doing the same. Okay. Then next we are having true false on the same page. In the true false, the first one is text tool is used to add the image. Yes, false. Why so? Yes, क्योंकि text tool भी use करते हैं हम to add the text, not the images, right? That's why it is false. Okay. Next, zoom tool helps you to see a magnified view of an image. True. It's true. Magnified means enlarged view. ठीक है, जब zoom हो जाता है बहुत ज्यादा, that is the magnified view. Yes, so that is why it is true. Yes, last student, बेटा अदर आ जाओ please. On the second bench. Okay, sit over here. Next is our spot healing tool. Spot healing tool repairs the imperfections of an image. And here imperfections mean it can be dark circles, dark spots, blemishes. Gantas, is it true or false? True. Yes, we could do all these things using this spot healing tool. Okay, so it will be true. Then next is control key is pressed with the plus symbol to zoom out of an image. To zoom out of an image. Yes? False. Why false? Very good. क्योंकि कंट्रोल और प्लस सिंबल से हम जूम इन करते हैं, उसको जूम करते हैं, इनलार्ज करते हैं, जूम आउट नहीं करते. जूम आउट मीन्स उसका साइज डिक्रीज कर रहे हैं. So that is why this is false. Next, gradient tool is used to fill an area with a range of colors. Now here, range of color means when we are using multiple colors together, right? So will it be true or false? Wait. Yes, beta? True, that's true. Here it is used to fill the range of colors in your image or on an area. Good. So that's clear. Is there any doubt till here? No. Okay, that's good. Now let us discuss the next, where we have to label the following tools, right? First tool, where there is a image and over here there is a scissor also. Which tool is this exactly? Anshika? Background eraser. Very nice. This is your background eraser tool. Note it down. It is background eraser tool. Okay. Then the next one you are having, there is a hand holding like this. Yeah, burn tool. There is a difference between the burn tool and the hand tool. दोनों में हैंड के सिंबल आएंगे, बट जब बर्न टूल है हैंड की प्लेसमेंट इस तरह से है, और जब हैंड टूल है उसमें पूरा पाम भी नजर आ रहा है हमारा, राइट? सो उसकी पोजीशन इस तरह से है. सो देयर इज अ जस्ट स्लाइट डिफरेंस बिटवीन बोथ. ओके, so this one is burn tool. Okay. Next, number 3, we are having a kind of magnifying glass, right? Which tool is this? Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. There is a one student who is saying it's zoom tool and the another one who is saying it's a dodge tool. So justify your answers. Dodge tool, zoom tool. Okay, let's do our work. Yes, let's do our work. अपनी बुक में 2 पेजेस है, पेज नंबर 118 एंड 122. दोनों पेजेस को इस तरह रख के प्लेस करके दोनों टूल्स एक साथ देखो पहले. Here we are having zoom tool and on this page we are having this dodge tool. दोनों टूल्स के सिंबल ध्यान से देखो पहले and then identify जो लेबल करने के लिए दिया है वो कौन सा है. Dodge tool. Why so? Listen, when there is a dodge tool now, it's completely filled. Yes, right, Anik? Okay. So he is saying also that same. When there is a dodge tool, the circle is completely filled with the color, and when there is a zoom tool, the magnifying glass, the glass is transparent. So you can easily identify from the glass. Okay. If the color is filled in the glass, then it is a dodge tool. And if there is no color and it's transparent, the glass, then it will be a zoom tool. Clear now? Difference clear? Hai? Okay. That means this is your dodge tool. Then we are having the next shape. It's a shape tool, but which shape tool it is? So this time, Parisha? Custom shape tool. Good. It is your custom shape tool because it's an irregular shape. So that's why this is custom shape tool. Clear to everyone? Good. Now, so let's discuss the question answers now. First is, what do you mean by wrapping of text? Akshat, yes. Akshat, yes. That's good. Basically, positioning of the letter and the text in the different shapes, right? Someone else wants to give this definition? Okay, yes.
Wrapping of the text means changing the style, position of letters or changing the style of the text.
Good. So here, wrapping of text is used to position the letters or the text in different shapes. See the next question. It is define layers. Now, what do you mean by layers and how it is positioned in your images when you are trying to use it in your Photoshop, right? So, first, yes, आप बताइए बेटा. Good. Layers are like the transparent sheet which holds some objects, and that how we position them?
By using it, we change the order of layers, add, delete, and rename.
Okay. Anybody else? Yes. Very nice. So layers are the transparent sheet. They are stacked on the top of the other. Sure. Now let's see the third question. What is the use of the paint bucket tool? Why we use this paint bucket tool? Who will give the answer? Okay. Yes, very good. Anybody else wants to give the answer from the side? Okay, then the yes. आप बताइए बेटा. Yes, same question. What is the use of the paint bucket tool? एक मिनट लेके. Very good. It is used to fill the image with the different colors. So you may note it down. Okay. Let's see the next question now. So here you can see what is the use of the spot healing tool. Why we are using it? Yes, Rhythm.
Spot healing brush tool is used to clear the
Imperfections. It's imperfections. Okay? Good. So spot healing, as the name tells us, spot healing means it is going to heal out something, right? So healing करेगा हमारे all the imperfections of our image. Either it is dark circles, dark spot, or the blemishes, right? All these things can be recovered or healed by using this spot healing tool. Yes. So this is the use of this spot healing tool. It is used to remove the imperfections from the images like dark spots, blemishes, etc. Application based question. So now let us discuss that. Here it is. First, I want Guntas to read the first one so that we can understand what actually situation it is here. We have to solve that, right? Yes, Beta? Very nice. Sit down. Okay. So here a situation is given to us where Neha has inserted an image of a landscape, right? Now, what she want कि अब जो बैकग्राउंड में जो इमेज को अलावा पीछे जो चीजें बची हैं उसमें उसने कलर चेंज करना है, ठीक है? अब बैकग्राउंड कलर चेंज करने के लिए उसको कौन सा टूल यूज करना पड़ेगा? We are having two tools for this, using which हम उसमें बैकग्राउंड में कलर फिलिंग कर सकते हैं. तो एग्जैक्टली कौन से दो टूल्स हैं वो? किसको पता है? वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस. और दूसरा gradient tool. So there are two tools used for this purpose. No, this you can write it on your books. Okay, so there are two tools. One is paint bucket tool and another is gradient tool. Both these tools can be used for solving her problem. Okay, then there is another situation. Okay, and I want you to read, beta.
Rahul has created a birthday cardboard instead in Photoshop. He wants to create the visibility of the image in it. Suggest to him a suitable tool to perform the task.
गुड. अब ये क्वेश्चन रीड करने के बाद मुझे एक सिचुएशन याद आ रही है. लास्ट क्लास में जब हम टूल्स यूज कर रहे थे, एक गर्ल और एक पीस ऑफ फर्नीचर था जिसको हम एडिट कर रहे थे. एक टूल था जिसको यूज करके मैंने उस जो पीस ऑफ फर्नीचर था उसको मैंने फेड कर दिया था. एग्जैक्टली दैट सेम टूल यहाँ पे राहुल को यूज करना है टू फेड द विजिबिलिटी ऑफ द इमेज. Which tool can be used to fade the visibility of the image? Yes, blur tool. Using blur tool क्या होता है? उसकी visibility जो है वो fade हो जाती है. Clear? Yes, we had used the same tool in that case also.